Welcome. If you want to control who can reply to your old posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, and only allow verified accounts to respond, you're in the right place. With the latest update, X gives you more power to manage your conversations and keep replies limited to trusted, verified users. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to set this up on your PC. First, open your browser and head over to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed. Now, scroll through your timeline and find the post you want to update. When you spot it, move your mouse over the post and look for the 3 dots. These are usually found at the top right corner of the post. Click on the 3 dots to open a small menu with more options. From this menu, select the option that says, Change Who Can Reply. A new set of choices will pop up. Here you'll see several options for who can reply to your post. Choose verified accounts. By selecting this, you're making sure that only users with a verified badge, those with the blue checkmark, can reply to your post. After you've made your selection, the setting will be updated instantly. From now on, only verified accounts will be able to reply to that specific post. This is a great way to cut down on spam, bots, and unwanted replies, letting you focus on genuine interactions with trusted users. And that's it. You've successfully restricted replies on your old post to verified accounts only. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any other posts you want to update. This feature is especially useful for keeping conversations productive and maintaining a positive experience on X. Thanks for watching, and enjoy more meaningful interactions on X.